Want to stream YouTube TV on your Sony Smart TV? It's simple. In this detailed guide, we'll show you how to set up and enjoy YouTube TV on your Sony Smart TV, along with tips to enhance your experience. Step 1. Check compatibility. White EV checkmark ensure that your Sony Smart TV is running Android TV 2015 models and later. White EV checkmark makes sure your TV is connected to a Wi-Fi network with a stable internet connection. Step 2. Install YouTube TV on Sony Smart TV. Keycap 1. Press the home button on your Sony TV remote. Keycap 2. Open the Google Play Store from the main menu. Keycap 3. Search for YouTube TV in the search bar and select the app. Keycap 4. Click Install to download the app. Keycap 5. Once the app is installed, open it from the home screen or apps section. Step 3. Sign into YouTube TV. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your Sony Smart TV. Keycap 2. Select Sign in on the welcome screen. Keycap 3. On your mobile device or computer, visit youtube.com/start. Keycap 4. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Keycap 5. Sign in with your Google account linked to YouTube TV. Step 4. Explore YouTube TV features. Once signed in, you can White EV checkmark browse through live TV channels and enjoy on-demand content. White EV checkmark access your DVR recordings and watch your saved shows. White EV checkmark use voice control with Google Assistant to search for content hands-free. White EV checkmark adjust video quality settings for smoother streaming. Step 5. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. Small blue diamond app not working? Try restarting your Sony TV or reinstalling the YouTube TV app. Small blue diamond slow streaming? Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong, or consider using a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. Small blue diamond no sound or video. Adjust the audio and video settings on your TV for better performance. Bonus tip. For a better viewing experience, adjust your display settings on the TV for optimal contrast and brightness when watching YouTube TV. Enjoy YouTube TV on your Sony Smart TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.